What's up, YouTube? Somebody's hacking on this game. I'm gonna be playing this because somehow jailbreak don't be working for me at my house. They be doing stuff, but yeah, somebody's hacking. That dude's hacking. He's walking through the walls. The one with the wings. I used not like this hack used to work right here. Like look up. You still do a little bit. I think it works still. And press I. Let me go in the cafeteria. Cause I used to be able to get inside the vending machines. Oh, let's try. And go to the corner and stuff. And I used to be going through the walls, like of these cracks, going on the other side of the wall. But this other dude walking right through the walls, though. He's walking through the walls. Once I figure that out, I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's not gonna work. One mic. Let's try to escape. Yeah, this dude right here hacking. Right here. Watch him. He was blowing all of us up. Oh yeah, I forgot he can do that. Oh, I forgot he can do that. Look at him. I forgot you can kill him. Come on, bro. I'm getting tired of this. Now let's get out. Oh, I can't. Oh, wait. No, I died. Oh! Dude, shooting me and all. Get out of here, brother. Brother. What do you mean, brother? What do you mean, brother? What do you mean, brother? Ah. Oh god, bro, this right here. So annoying. I'm gonna have fun with hackers. Non-stop. Oh my god. Bro, it's so dark now. Let's go, folks. Ooh, car. Let me just get this and get out. Bro, get up. Watch out. Get up. Oh my gosh. I think the car disappeared. I'm lit. Now just get out. I can't even jump no more. Folks. Oh, there. Oh, what? Folks. How folks arrest me though? I disappear when that blue line go. When I don't. I thought. Oh yeah. You don't add me. My name at the top. This prison lies, by the way. You can do the same here to escape out. I don't know why it ain't working right now. I think you can do it by the window. I think I did it before by the window. Yeah. My friend just arrested this dude right here. So let's switch. It might be full though. It could be like skin left lights off. There we go. Sometimes I don't be working. Gonna be the best cop one you watch. Bro, get off the screen. What's going on? Heck, it's going on, brother. What do you mean, brother? Alright, now let's deal with it. Did they arrest him? That's my question. In his breakfast. Let them all out. Oh, they going to jail. Y'all going to jail. Come on, there, get out. Ooh. Folks about to go to jail. Folks finna go to jail. Folks finna go to jail. Oh, back. Shoot off. Get back. Get back. Get in there. Get in there, brother. I got him, guys. Got him, guys. Now, let me switch back. Switch back. Get out of here. I'm just trying to get out. Get out, folks. I'm innocent. I'm an innocent man. Not really, but yeah. Oh, freak. Folks gotta die. Folks gotta die. Run. Run. Hi guys. And now I'm gonna get the hammer. Okay. Look at her trying to exercise. What's she doing? And we can kill him with these. There'll be a knife over here too, see? I don't think the stuff disappeared with the other dog. Oh yeah, and it works over here, and it works over here, over here. Oh, you got a card? Come on, open the door. Open, bro. I just saw the card. What's folks doing? Oh, folks, there we go. Now, I'm the best escaper. Suicide. Let me tell her something real fast. Let me see her real fast. Boom, boom. Done this in a while. I don't even know what to do no more. Boom, boom. I don't even know what to do anymore, but I'm done. She's stunning me. She's stunning me, guys. You feel me? But yeah, just oof your way out of here once you escape. Oof, you're smart criminal. I'm the only criminal, as you can notice, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, didn't stay. Get your big. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I glitched in that building right there before. But I got stuck. I had to reset. That one, and this white and blue one right here, got stuck in this big one right here. Oh, it's a ladder. Get out of that, I think. Oh yeah, and I'll be glitching through these fences. I've been glitching through here. Or you can just use the look at that dude. But reset. I'm telling people that. Or you can just up on that tree. He gonna go take that car. You ain't gonna open? Cool. Oh, who's opened it? Oh, thanks, brother. I'll tell you, they're running all the way there when there's a car right there. Just reset. Oh, I think, never mind. He got a key card. I'm slow. Let's go kill these prisoners or cops. You feel me? I might just kill them. No, I'm not. Get out of here. You're not getting away. You're not getting out of jail, folks. You're not getting out of jail, folks. You're not getting out of... Oh. Oh! Folks got me right there. I ain't gonna lie. Folks got me. Folks got you, boy. Folks got you, boy. Oh, folks got you, boy. Oh! Oh! Hold up! Hold on, let me tell you something. Let me tell these people. Hold on, let me tell these people something. Okay. Go, bro. Go, bro. Go. Joe, good. How do I? Couldn't draw right there. I'm gonna try going to roll. That's tough. But yeah, later I'm gonna do another video. But it might be, or I might do it after this video. To be honest. What the fuck? Oh, but yeah, I might do a video on like Fortnite. But my mom gonna record it probably. I might do a video. Might. Just might. Just a might. Folks, do you got the key card? Was that you? Folks, was that you that got the key card? Yeah, good work. Good looking. Good looking. Wait. Come on, folks. Yeah, folks. Yeah, folks. We lit, folks. Oh, cop! Bro! Folks left me. Dang, folks left your boy. Folks left your boy. Folks left your boy. I'm dead, bro. Folks left your boy. I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna leave the game. Wait, nah. I'm just staying in the game to go somewhere. End the video in another minute, guys. Not mine. Yeah, 1440. I'm gonna start ending it off. Folks. Alright, so if you like the video, leave the video a like. But yeah, I'm out. Peace. Peace out, guys. Talk to y'all later. Peace out.